Welcome to our cosmetology instructional video focused on lighteners. Today we'll explore how lighteners work to disperse, dissolve, and decolorize natural hair pigment, delivering the beauty transformations you aim for. The double process application, also known as two-step coloring, involves using a lightener first to achieve the desired lift. Then, a toner is applied to add a soft tone back into the hair, resulting in a beautifully nuanced color that complements your style. Decolorizing is a gradual process where hair can go through as many as 10 stages, though not all hair will endure every stage. This process allows colorists to extract the perfect degree of pigment needed to achieve the final seamless result. Remember, consultations are the cornerstone of any color service. Discussing plans with your client ensures their expectations are matched and their hair's health is prioritized. When a client's hair is in questionable condition, it's crucial to have them sign a release statement. This ensures they understand the risks involved and acknowledges the potential effects of the requested chemical treatment. As the lightener is applied, you'll see a visual representation of hair lightening stages from 1 through 10, which showcases the progressive changes each strand undergoes. This illustrative journey helps in grasping the transformative power of lighteners.